All right, what is the pH of a buffer that's 0.110 molar HPO₄ negative and 0.220 molar H₂PO₄ negative at 25 degrees Celsius? First, identify the acid. The acid is the substance that contains more hydrogens. Next, find out what the pKa of that is. I'm looking at a pKa table right now, and it says the pKa is 7.19, and that's for the H₂PO₄ negative ion. Now we want to use the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation to calculate the pH of this buffer. pH is equal to pKa plus log of the base concentration divided by the acid concentration. And we'll go ahead and plug these values in. Okay, so HPO₄ negative is that first number, 0.110, and 0.220 is the second number. So use our calculator here. Okay. And I get a negative 0.3 for that term, plus 7.19, and I get a value of 6.89. Okay, so that's a typical buffer